it comes to standards, yeah. To me, I think oftentimes, the way you do something is the way you do everything. And when it comes to design, when it comes to visuals, I believe that when you're putting a poster, for example, like a concert poster, people should look at it and know that, wow, if I go to that event, it's going to be that quality, like that flyer, because I'm not hating or I'm not disrespecting. 俾係個俾顧客呢個俾個當生，這是 90% of the flyers that comes out online, it's not up to standards. It's still like living back in the 1990s in and this is 2025. For me, that really inspired me too, to set standards for myself. And that's because you look at other people and you're able to respect them for what they do, so that you create standards for yourself to be like at that level.